Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the charging speed test on the Realme 10 Pro Plus device on the day one after unboxing. So this is a Realme 10 Pro Plus device which I'm trying to use in this video for the demonstration, and the phone has got the 5000 mAh of battery capacity, and right now I'm going to do this charging test starting from 1% to 100%. So that's what this video is about, and I'm going to open the box and I'm going to charge the device for the first time. So let me take out the charger, and the phone has got the 6-7 watts charger. So this is a charger which came along with the box, and is the cable, and I'm going to use the same cable and same charger, default cable, not any other cable, just for the confirmation. So I'm trying to use the same cable to charge the Realme 10 Pro Plus, and let me connect the charger. So now the phone got completely switched off, and right now the phone is charging from 0% to 100%. So on the day one after unboxing, and right now the stopwatch has been started successfully, and I will be back after 15 minutes of time to check the temperatures and to check the battery life, what's going on. So according to the official figures, the phone can actually charge 50% in 17 minutes. As you can see, 50% in 17 minutes with the battery capacity of 5000 and 16 watts charging speed as well. So again, I'll be back after 15 minutes, and let's find out what will be the time to charge 50% as well in this Realme 10 Pro Plus. And right now you should be able to see ultra fast charging animation, and you can see the superbox charger as well, indication which we are getting right now. And again, I'll be back after some time, and in the beginning the temperatures are 32 degrees Celsius. And again, I'll be back after some time to check the temperatures, what will be there highest in this device, maybe after 15 minutes of time. Right now, as you can see friends, exactly after 17 minutes of time, the battery charged to 46%. As you can see, 46%. In 15 minutes the battery reached to 42%. After 17 minutes the battery reached to 46%. So I'm going to check the temperatures, how much high it is right now. After 17 minutes of time, 35 degrees Celsius is the highest so far the phone did reach, 35 degrees Celsius. Let's find out friends how much time it's gonna take to charge 50% in the Realme 10 Pro Plus. So definitely the phone has got 5000 mAh of battery capacity, so it's gonna take slightly more time, but let's see, 47% still. So I can be back after some time. Finally friends, the phone did reach 50% around 19 minutes of time. So overall the time taken to charge, it's about 19 minutes in the Realme 10 Pro Plus device for 50%. And I can be back after 30 minutes of time, then we can discuss more details, what is the overall charging speed. Right now, as you can see friends, we are reaching close to 30 minutes of time exactly charging test in the Realme 10 Pro device, and we'll try to see what is the charging percentage after exact 30 minutes of time. So how much the battery did reach in 30 minutes, and we'll try to check the temperatures also, what are the overall temperatures in this device. So let me show you exactly 30 minutes, and right now the phone reached to 73%. As you can see, 73%. And regarding the temperatures, the phone is up to 35 degrees Celsius, still maintaining same temperatures, 35 degrees in the Realme 10 Pro Plus. And again, I'll be back after some time. Right now, as you can see friends, the phone did reach to 100% exactly after 44 minutes of time. As you can see, this is what the time taken in the Realme 10 Pro Plus device. So 44 minutes to charge complete 100%, and 50% took about 19 minutes. And one more quick note, this is on the day one of after unboxing the device. So maybe with a couple of updates, or maybe after using some days, again I'll try to do the charging test in this device. But overall, to give an idea, it takes close to 45 minutes to 40 minutes of time. In between this kind of time frame, you can expect the phone to get charged complete 100%. Until then, signing off friends, thank you for watching. With this kind of 5000 mAh battery capacity and with this kind of fast charging speed of 67 watts charging, I was expecting the charging speed should be around 40 minutes, but it's slightly more. That's not a huge issue, but anyway, meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and bye.